मस्ताना यार की टोली, अपनों की मीठी बोली, मुबारक हो आपको खुशनुमा रंगों की होली।
हमेशा मीठी रहे आपकी बोली, खुशियों से भरी रहे झोली। आपको और आपके परिवार को हमारी तरफ से हैप्पी होली।
मथुरा की खुशबू, गोकुल का हार, वृंदावन की सुगंध, बरसाने की फुहार, राधा की उम्मीद, कान्हा का प्यार, मुबारक हो आपको रंगों का त्योहार।
होली है भाई, होली है, बुरा ना मानो, होली है। होली खुशियों का त्योहार है, होली रंगों का त्योहार है और होली अपनों का त्योहार है। सो डोंट माइंड, इट्स होली, इट्स होली। होली इज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ हैप्पीनेस, होली इज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ कलर्स एंड फेस्टिवल ऑफ अवर्स। होली फेस्टिवल इज victory over all evil. So hello friend, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So I am Nasir Khan and this is my team. This is Dipanshu, that is Neeraj and CS Riya. So today we are discuss about history behind the Holi and its concept. Like what is Holika Dahan and what is the how we celebrate Holi. So first I call my friend Neeraj. He tell you behind history of Holi.
Hello ladies and gentlemen. Today I am going to talk about history behind the Holi. So let's start. Once upon a time there was a king named Hiranyakashipu who was very cruel and he wanted to take revenge to Lord Vishnu because Vishnu killed his younger brother. For this he prayed for many years. At the end he got wounds. But due to this he started thinking himself as a god and start asking to people to worship like a god. He had a son whose name was Prahlad. He was the biggest devotee of Lord Krishna. So therefore his father don't like to him because he was the devotee of Krishna and he wanted to take revenge to Vishnu because Vishnu killed his brother. So for this Hiranyakashipu planned along with his sister whose name was Holika. He had a power that he can't burn, he can't assess in the fire. So they planned together to kill their son and they start their planning. In this way Hiranyakashipu asked to their sister to take his son in her lap and set on the fire, and they executed their plan. But what happened after this? After this, Prahlad got sick because he chanted all the time to Lord Krishna. But the Holika got burned and burned to ashes. It means what? It means that it is symbolized that all the evils burned with the Holika in the fire, and later on we all celebrate just before one day of Holi. In the many state of India we celebrated Holika kindling. Now I am going to talk about Holika bonfire. In Holika bonfire, we arrange the special boats to set for the fire, and we make Holika and Prahlad with the cow mud, and we established on the fire boats, special fire boats, and then we arrange the worship plate, and we worship to Prahlad and Holika, and then all the people revolve around the fire and they burn their all the evils, all the ill thoughts in that Holika, kindling. And later on we celebrate Holi. They meet each other, they hug each other, and they give wishes to each other. Thank you very much.
आज मुबारक, कल मुबारक, होली का हर पल मुबारक। इस रंग बिरंगे होली में हमारा भी एक रंग मुबारक।
As you have listened the history behind the Holi and the Holika kindling, let's know about how to celebrate Holi and what all precautions should be taken on this day. Firstly, people got up in the early morning and took bath. After this, they wishing to each other happy Holi, happy Holi. On this day, people used to wear light clothes according to their preference. After wishing, they start preparation of Holi celebration, like filling the bucket by water, buying small balloons and fill with it water, buying also water guns and gulal or colored powder of different colors like red, yellow, pink, blue, green, purple and many more. After the preparation, they all play together like hurl water balls on each other. By water guns also, they hurl colored water on each other. By smack gulal on each other with their family members, friends and loved ones. After celebrating Holi, all took bath once again and all together take lunch with lots of talk and happiness. After this, they all take blessing with their elder ones or from their elder ones. In the evening time, everyone go to their friend's house or their relative's house with sweets and wishing them happy Holi, happy Holi. This is a way how we celebrate Holi. Now I'll tell you what all precautions should be taken on this day. Firstly, apply oil on your hair before playing Holi. Use sunscreen, a good quality of sunscreen on your body. Wear full sleeves of clothes. Take care of small children while playing Holi. Also, take care around us of animals and other things. Don't use synthetic colors and play very safely. These all about precautions.
भूल जाओ सारे गम, होली खेलो सबके संग।
Holy festival in which we all communities come together, celebrate together and burn their ill thoughts, their mutual misunderstanding in the Holika kindling.
Play Holi with full of craziness and happiness, but don't forget the safeness.
हमेशा मीठी रहे आपकी बोली, खुशियों से भरी रहे झोली। आपको और आपके परिवार को हमारी तरफ से हैप्पी होली।
मस्ताना यारों की टोली, अपनों की मीठी बोली, मुबारक हो आपको खुशनुमा रंगों की होली। होली है भाई होली है, बुरा ना मानो होली है। होली खुशियों का त्योहार है, होली रंगों का त्योहार है, होली अपनों का त्योहार है। डोंट माइंड इट्स होली। होली इज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ हैप्पीनेस एंड कलर। होली इज द फेस्टिवल ऑफ अवर। Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are very good. We are here to celebrate the Holi. I am Ankit and it is my team. We are here to discuss some point of Holi, such as history about Holi, Holika kindling and how to celebrate Holi. Now I would like to call Satyam.
As you all know that one day before Holi we celebrate Holika kindling. There is mythological story behind Holika kindling. The mythological story behind Holi is of Lord Prahlad. He was dedicated devotee of Lord Vishnu, but his father was atheist because his father was not believe in God. That's why he asked his sister Holika to set in fire with Prahlad in her lap. That's why they plan to kill Prahlad. When Holika set in fire with Prahlad, then Holika burned. Prahlad, a devotee of God, is saved. That's why Holika's death symbolizes the destruction of evils. Holika is ill, which means evil is no more, and Prahlad is saved. That truth is unbroken. That's all about history of Holi. Now I would like to tell. I would like to call about my friend Sumit. Thank you.
मथुरा की खुशबू, गोकुल का हार, वृंदावन की सुगंध, बरसाने की फुहार, राधा की उम्मीद, कान्हा का प्यार, मुबारक हो आपको रंगों का त्योहार, मुबारक हो आपको होली का त्योहार. As you know that, as you listen, my friend Satyam tell about the history behind the Holi. And now I am going to talk about the celebration of Holi. So, before the day of Holi, we celebrate Choti Holi, which is also known as the Holika Dahan. Holika Dahan is a significance of victory over good over evil. On that day, Prahlad killed Holika, so we celebrate Holika Dahan. In Holika Dahan, we are Hindu follow many rituals like singing, dancing, revolving around the Holika, and many more things. On that day, people also sing song, offer the offering to the god, and many more things. And after that day, we celebrate Man Holi. And that we celebrate Man Holi because of the divine love of Radha Krishna. Because of the Radha Krishna, we celebrate Holi with the color. And in that day, people smash each other, dan each other with the color, with the border, with the help of water gun, with the help of water balloon, and etc. We celebrate Holi because of the divine love of Radha Krishna, and we play Holi with the color. And after the 5th day, we celebrate Rang Panchami. The Rang Panchami is the last day of celebration of Holi. Thank you.
As you listen how to celebrate Holi, I will tell about how should we not celebrate Holi. What we should not use of watercolor because water is waste. We should not use alcohol, ham, etc. This is very harmful for our health. Some people sing regular song and abuse. This is bad thing. We should not use chemical colors. This is very harmful for our skin like eyes, nose, mouth, etc. We should avoid the fight. We should play Holi but safe Holi.
Wish you happy Holi, play Holi, but play safe Holi.